Today we are trying internet's viral scrapbooking craft and my hours of scrolling is forcing me to do that. So what are you waiting for? Let's try these viral scrapbooking craft and spoiler alert, one of them took me around 2 hours to complete it. So let's see it will be a disaster or a hit for me. Let's go. I am back with my irritating voice, and some of you love my voice, and some of you will thinking that I'm in my delusion, but let me in my delusion era. So let's continue with the voiceover and let me explain this to you. So I'm taking horizontally 12.5 centimeter and vertically 15 centimeter. And let me tell you the easiest part in this craft, and that is cutting paper. Yeah, you heard it right. Cutting paper is the most easiest part for me. I don't know about you guys, but only the cutting paper part is the easiest part for me and nothing else, because in the further video you will know how irritated I got by doing particularly this craft. Keeping aside my rubbish talk, I took 1 centimeter gap and now I'm erasing the rest of the unnecessary lines, and now I will take a cutting mat and now I'm carefully cutting the inside part, because as you don't know, I never told anyone about this. I am really bad at measurements and drawing a straight line, so I can go here and there. Now we have 2 frames and again we will take a paper and I'm taking the measurement of 12.5 and 15 centimeter. Now you know why I hate this craft, because there are lots and lots of measurement. And again there is a measurement, damn it. So now I'm taking a measurement of 3 centimeter. As you now know that I'm not good at drawing a straight line, that's why I took measurement from both the sides. And if you're good at drawing straight line, then you can save time here. So now I am taking my new journal. As you know, I purchased a new journal. Now don't laugh at me, I literally stick the white frame on a white paper. I mean, what was I thinking? And it took forever to undo this process.
One eternity later.
Finally, our new paper is ready again, and now I'm sticking this background and it was looking so much prettier than the previous one. Now I'm sticking the frame again, and the strip we trimmed before, now we have to stick it here, and now you will see why I wasted so much time here. So I took sellotape instead of masking tape, and here the blunders began. It was sticking all over my fingers, and now you are seeing that this is looking perfect and it is going all smooth until you go to the last strip for sticking it, because we don't have to stick the frame in the first part, and the video clearly shows that we don't have to stick in the first part. But now I sticked on the paper and we can't do anything and we have to bear all the pain. But you don't have to repeat my mistake, just don't stick the frame on the paper. And as you are seeing that we have to take sellotape again and we have to stick on the front side. And remember that while sticking sellotape, you don't have to stick completely on the paper, just leave 1 centimeter or half from the starting point. And when you tilt the paper, and why I am telling you that, because we have to stick the another frame on the paper. And as you can see, I am struggling as hell because I'm using a sellotape. And now my advice here is that if you have a masking tape or a doctor tape, you can use that, because sellotape is not a good idea. Now, as I was saying that we have to stick another frame, so here we are sticking the another frame and we have to lift it carefully up, and now you can see the tape is not sticking because sellotape is in different mode. And now I'm struggling, and here I took lots and lots of time. You are not seeing in the camera, but it took lots and lots of time and effort, but it was worth it because the transition was so smooth. Now I'm taking this picture and we have to cut it again in 3 centimeter. You know the gist, and we have to do the same that you are seeing on the screen. But you guys must be wondering that why I took this picture. So the reason behind is that I have to show a motivational line here, and that is that whenever we see a person smiling, cheering up, so we have to think that person who is smiling today was not at all happy yesterday or day after yesterday, because they were sad but finally they choose to smile again and leave that sadness behind them. And that motivation I was giving to myself. Usually I don't share the backstory of my journal, but yeah, I thought that I should do it today. And now we are ready with our first craft of scrapbooking. I kid you not, the first one took me almost around 2 to 3 hours because the sellotape concept I used here was total a stupid plan, because the video showed that I have to use the masking tape, but I use sellotape because I have big brains. But you don't have to use your big brain, just use the masking tape because sellotape was not a good idea. Let's go to the second viral scrapbooking craft. This viral craft was looking so tempting, so I took a printout of cassette and now I'm tracing it on a paper. And now I will tell you why I'm tracing this on a paper, because we have to stick our favorite song on these paper, and I took almost around 9 favorite song of mine. You can take n number of your favorite song. As you are seeing that I'm keeping it casual because I don't have enough time, but you can experiment with colorful pages, stickers and all. So now I'm sticking one of my favorite song on this paper, and again, as you are seeing that I'm keeping it casual, but you don't have to keep it casual. You can decorate and make it unique. And I also want to know your favorite songs, so please tell me in the comment section that what are your favorite song. So I did this process with each and every song of mine, and now we will take these printed cassette and we will put on the front and the back side of our songs. Now we have to punch all of these. I don't have single hand punch machine, I have double, so I have to be careful while doing this. Now I'm taking this jute rope and I have to tie all the papers together. It was simple. And now I will cut the extra part of the rope, and here we go. Our second craft is ready and it was pretty simple. And these are some of my favorite songs, and if you can relate to these songs, so do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to hear y'all. If I compare this to the first one, then it is super damn easy and it looks so aesthetic. I mean, we can store our favorite song in these little cassettes. But the first one, of course, the adorable one. Now let's get into the third one, and I kid you not, you will love this one. Let's go. So this craft is looking so aesthetic and Pinteresty, and it seemed to be very easy. So let's see and check it out that if it is really that easy or not. And here I am doing my favorite part of scrapbooking, and that is tearing pages and sticking on the paper. And also I want to know about you guys that what are your favorite things while doing scrapbooking or journaling. After tearing this page, I'm taking this humongous sellotape because sellotape is a hero product in this video. So we kept the sellotape on the paper, and now we have to decorate with the flowers, my favorite part. So I borrowed these flowers from my sister, and I didn't purchase the dry flower kit because we should use real flowers, I guess. Cause I think that every flower tells that different story, and we should keep that story alive on our journal pages. And take a moment and subscribe to me and hit the bell icon, because I want some motivation to shoot these long videos because it takes lot of time and effort, so please subscribe. Now as you can see, we are done with the flower part and it is looking so damn pretty. Now my favorite part, and that is sticking lots and lots of stickers, and I'm sticking my picture also because self-love. Yep, don't judge me with this line because recently I'm in my self-love era, so you should also in your self-love era because self-love is the best thing you can do ever. And now we are done with this craft and this is looking so damn pretty. Believe me or not, the third one took all the attention because flowers on pages look super nostalgic and aesthetic. I remember that I used to collect lots and lots of flowers, but I don't have any medium to save that because eventually I have to dump that because they don't look aesthetic. But now I have the medium to save that and it looks super easy and aesthetic. Now tell me in the comment section which one was your favorite, and we will meet in the next part. Till then, tata bye bye.